When you buy a modern automatic car, the dealership will proudly tell you that the transmission is sealed for life. They claim it uses a magical lifetime fluid that never needs to be changed. It sounds like a great deal, right? Zero maintenance, zero worries. But this is the biggest, most expensive lie in the automotive industry. To understand the scam, you have to ask one simple question. Whose lifetime are they talking about? Yours? The car's? No. When an automaker says lifetime, they mean the lifetime of the factory warranty. Usually, that is around 60,000 to 100,000 miles. Once that warranty expires, they do not care if your transmission explodes. In fact, they hope it does because they will sell you a brand new one for $5,000. Let's look at the basic engineering. Inside your automatic transmission, there are hundreds of moving metal parts, complex valve bodies, and friction clutches. The transmission fluid has to lubricate the gears, provide hydraulic pressure, and absorb extreme heat. Over time, friction naturally creates microscopic metal shavings. The clutch material wears off. In a normal machine, you drain this dirty fluid and put in fresh, clean oil. But because automakers labeled it sealed for life, they removed the dipstick. They made it intentionally difficult for you or your mechanic to service it. So, what happens after 80,000 miles? That beautiful, transparent red transmission fluid turns into a thick, black toxic sludge full of metal glitter. This abrasive sludge acts like liquid sandpaper. It slowly destroys the delicate solenoids. The gears start to slip. You feel a harsh jerk when shifting. And then, one day, you press the gas pedal, the engine revs, and the car goes nowhere. Your sealed for life transmission just died. Do not listen to the marketing department. Listen to the engineers who actually build these gearboxes. Companies like ZF, who manufacture transmissions for BMW and Audi, officially recommend changing the fluid every 50,000 miles. Save your car, ignore the dealership, and change your fluid. Hit that subscribe button to Overdrive Engineering for more automotive truths.